Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. Here you can see it in Windows 10. This error was named Invalid Value For Registry. So how you can fix it? First you needed to know that also you can see this error when you try to open some pictures and it won't open pictures, but you see this error. So how you can fix it? First you need to go to Windows. Just click on it and choose settings here. So after you choose settings, you need to choose here system. So just click on system, and in system you need to find apps and sorry, not in the system, but choose here apps. So in apps you choose apps and features, and in apps and features you just right here in search this list photos, just right here. Photo. Here you can see, just open it and choose advanced options, and here you choose reset. So now we need to wait some time after it will reset our program, and you can see that it's successfully reset. And now you can try again, open your images, and now you won't see any error again, and it works. I hope I help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.